it is Friday and it is date night. It is a super casual date night. Super casual. We're just going to eat dinner somewhere in the mall, but we will take you along with us. And we're just going to go see two movies. We're going to go see, what's it called? Loxy? I don't know. It's the one where like his iPhone takes over his life. It's supposed to be a comedy, and it's kind of funny because I actually believe that's going to end up happening in the real world. I feel like machines are going to take us over.
She's talking into a digital camera right now. I'm just saying.
And then we're also seeing Gemini Man. So, are these people walking in the middle of the street?
Yep, that's what people do.
So, we're not sure where we're going to dinner yet. There are multiple restaurants in the mall. There are a couple of places that we would like to go that we haven't been to in a while that are kind of casual. It just depends on how busy they are. So, you'll see us when we get there. Bye.
Good evening.
Hello.
How are you?
Pretty good.
Great.
Yourself?
Great, thank you. My name is Marshall. We can get today. Yeah, Saudi.
It's been a minute since we've been here. Do you have non-alcoholic specialties? Let's do the Passion Mint Fizz.
Yep.
We got a JW's pink lemonade.
You know what? I think I lied. I think I want to do the tropical ginger Kool-Aid.
Yep. 2 waters for you as well.
Yeah, that's fine. Thank you. Cheesecake Factory is where we decided to eat.
No.
Thank you.
And I assume we still need a few more minutes to go over the menu.
I'm ready to order.
I can be ready as soon as she's done ordering. That's cool.
Okay, so I'm going to do 2 appetizers as my dinner.
Okay.
So I'm going to do the ahi tartar and then the avocado egg rolls.
Absolutely.
Thank you.
You just do the Baja chicken tacos.
All right.
Thank you.
Put this right in.
Thank you. Here, put your drink. What did you get?
Lemonade.
Also, I am not gluten-free today because I love this bread. I love these things. Here, can you do this for me? Okay, so that was a Cheesecake Factory. I mean, it was okay. It was a 3 as far as this sort of food is concerned. My avocado egg rolls were a little greasy tonight. And I haven't had them in probably about a year, but
Yeah, it's been a long time.
it's been a long time. But I don't remember them being that greasy. So, that was it. We'll go with a 3. That'll work. Have a good night. Bye.